Nothing. 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 Nothing.
It's called Or Factory Squad Demo. Get the fuck out of my face. Oh,
Only you can do it.
Welcome to your new factory. A great career. Well, I can change the name of this factory.
Mine.
Yo, what do you think? It's great, right? Open the properties.
Okay, send your offer and okay. Now we can go. We ready? We ready?
We're gonna do something, I guess.
Okay, well, can I drive? Or you're gonna drive?
I guess. What the fuck do I need to do? What? Oh, boxes?
Oh, it's keys. Alright, got the car keys.
Well, I think I
This is a Mexicanini 2000 22-inch
progress for.
rims.
Wait, what the?
Get in!
Get in there. I can't. Dude, look at over the tutorial. I need to go like on the sidewalk.
What the fuck?
Fuck you. Oh wait. Drive like this.
Out
I'm
of
stuck.
my car now!
Door stuck.
It's my
Get
Truck stuck. What? Oh, damn! Oh shit, where am I at? I'm somewhere. Okay, I'm by the mine. Let's go. God damn it, fuck off.
I can't get in there. What the fuck?
Should have drove a car.
Bro, just get back for.
Oh my god. Ja, men det är ju rummas. Jag menar, det är sant.
You must progress further in the tutorial before
Är
entering.
det så tjejer?
Fuck yeah. How the fuck am I supposed to get in the car?
Why am I black? Oh shit. I'm gonna be white. What do you think, bro?
You are at the hospital! Administration is right here!
I'm going
Get
to
in
the
there.
emergency room, sir.
Get in there!
Where-
Get out of my car now!
Where is my
Get out
destination?
of my car now!
I don't know where I am. I'm asking you where is my destination. If you would kindly point
I
at where I am
pulled
supposed
into
to
your
go.
destination. It said here I was at your destination. It's over. Get out of my car now.
It said
Get
17.
out!
Ah, what a great day driving. What the fuck?
What the? What the fuck was that?
What the? Oh shit, I have a metal detector. Hold up.
What the fuck?
No, Q, I mean. Q, and
Hey.
I have a
For that. When?
Hold Q, you bitch!
Oh.
A rock!
Yo.
Pickaxe!
Denied.
We are playing some
Access
fucking
denied.
Minecraft.
Access denied.
Expect Al. Oh, I got it.
What the fuck?
Now
I have a hammer! Get here! I'm gonna kill you, bro.
Yes. What
Pallet.
the fuck is that?
I don't know.
I'm gonna whip.
Get the fuck out of my way, you bitch! Fat ass!
Need to get my own way because this fucking bitch.
Don't stop insulting me.
Insulting me! Hello,
I
this is
said
idea, Microsoft. Bro, look, I made my own little hole. It's like a house, bro. It's like a house, bro. Get the what the fuck? Who the fuck do you think you are, bro? Get your ass over here. What the fuck?
the truck.
Oh, we do. Oh, okay. How do I get up? Get off.
You are at the hospital. Administration is right here.
I'm going
Get
to
in
the
there.
emergency room, sir.
Get in there.
Where-
Get out of my car now.
Where is my
Get out
destination?
of my car now.
I don't know where I am. I'm asking you where is my destination. If you will kindly point at where I'm supposed
Into
to
your
go.
destination. It said here I was at your destination. It's over. Get out of my car now.
It said 7.
I'm gonna go in my tiny hole. Oh, I hit stone. I found stone. This feels literally like Minecraft.
Access denied. Access denied. Access denied. Access denied. Access denied. Access denied. Access denied.
My bag. This is. It's actually horrifying here, bro. I think we should have enough.
I got like 49 stone.
We should have enough. I feel like, right? Hold up. I'm just gonna get out.
We need to get the like. Oh my. Yo, I fell. No. Fuck this shit, bro, man. What? I'll like grab my 49.
What the fuck?
I don't know.
Wow, the stone is just never gonna come out.
Am I
There we
supposed
go.
to-
Oh my god, look at this,
What
bro.
the fuck? Well, we needed the 154. I mean, let's go.
Alright, I'm going into my cave, bro.
Look behind you. Look behind you. Hey, what's up? Shovel in your ass.
I mean, you do that every day. Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh my god, stop. There's a pipe here. Look at me, bro. I didn't break it.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you
What
did.
proof do you have?
Well, I'm gonna show you.
What in the physics? Yeah. There we go. My God.
Read. These two are mine, but okay. Chair and play this all day long.
No, this is boring as fuck, I'm gonna be honest. $150 of Alright guys, I think that's about to be the end of the video.